हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ रक्षिता शेट्टी और आज आई हूँ मैं स्पोर्क रेस्टोरेंट में, विच इज़ एन ऑथेंटिक ओरिएंटल फूड कुजीन प्लेस वेयर आई हैव कम फॉर हैविंग अ गुड फूड। सो लेट मी शो यू द प्लेस फर्स्ट। Okay, look at this place. This looks so aesthetic, so chic. I really like the place. And here I introduce you Rohan, co-founder. Hi Rohan. Okay, so you have to wear this cap when you're coming inside the kitchen. So yes. Now let's start with making food. Okay, so right now I am in the kitchen of Spork. So basically the thing is they don't use anything artificial over here. तो जो सब कुछ जो सॉसेस वगैरह होता है वो सब होममेड है, तो कोई आर्टिफिशियल उसमें एडेड नहीं है इंग्रेडिएंट्स जैसे अजीनोमोटो या फिर आप कोई कलर फ्लेवर्ड पाउडर्स वगैरह होते हैं वो कुछ भी एडेड नहीं है. सो ऑल यू सी दिस सॉसेस आर ऑल homemade. That is my friend Nikhil Shinde, who is a chef over here. Nikhil, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Nikhil is very conscious about the camera, so he's just avoiding the camera. But he cooks really well. So I am with him in the kitchen. Let me tell you something about the Spork Oriental food is that this is an authentic food what I am having right now, and this is located in Bhandop, so Magnet Mall. You can come anytime, and the best part about the pricing is all the pricing for individual dishes is under 500, so that is amazing. And let me tell you, the food tastes really yummy. Let me show you the food first. Okay, so let me show you what is the food. So this is chicken basil momos, which is also called as dim sum, and that is Malaysian pot rice. This is Korean chicken wings. This is soup, burnt garlic basil soup. So let me have this food now. मोमोज कैसे खाते हैं? कटलेट से मोमोज कटलेट से कैसे खाते हैं? अच्छा. Best part about the Spoke is this is an authentic food and this is so yum. Firstly, I'll tell you these sauces which are made, these are all homemade sauces. These are not at all artificially cooked or no added flavors is there, and this is so yum. So especially आज मुझे मालूम पड़ा momos is also called as dim sum. Okay, let me finish all of this food and come back to you guys. Okay, this is Malaysian food. This is my favorite Malaysian food, pot rice. This is really yummy. And best part about this is it is located in Bhandop. So people who are there in Bhandop, you must visit this place. Also people who are located outside of Bhandop, you should come and try this because you will love it. So if you are coming as a couple for 2 people, I would tell you the having a whole food also would not cost you much more than 700 rupees. So why not? Guys, do come. To order some dessert, firstly let me tell you the menu card. So they've got a lot of varieties of soups, they have got starters, they've also got many Korean starters as well as the main course, salads, and different types of dim sum, which is also called as momos, and also with a very minimal rate. So let me get some dessert now. It's a dessert time. The best part about this place is the furniture and everything is so good. Look at these lights, these are so beautiful, and these mirrors especially. Hey girl, what's up, what's up? Very beautiful location. I have clicked more pictures. You should check out my Instagram for my good pictures. This is the whole team of Spork. That is Rohan, I made you introduce. That is Nikhil, my friend, who's a chef over here and makes really good food. So basically you can come here, have your good time and have your good food. Also, if you are coming here and giving my reference as Raksh09, you will get 10% discount on your meal. So do come and take advantage of those coupons. So it's a dessert time. Dun, da, da.
So this is chocolate roll, served with ice cream.
Okay.
Stuffed with chocolate.
Thank you. That's so cool. Let me show you. Oh my god. Look at this. So this is a chocolate stuffed roll and this is ice cream and they've got such a good shape. I think this is made by Nikhil. So this is the favorite part of my cuisine all time, which is called as dessert. So let me try this. This is the first time I'm trying something like this. Amazing. Just wow. This is all. If you guys are Nutella fan, this is for you guys. I'll finish. Meanwhile, I'll finish this dessert and hope you like this video. Also, do not forget to use my coupon code whenever you're coming to Spork. And this was amazing food I had today. I will give all the description of the location and their Instagram page on my description. Do check out. Also do come here. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye, take care, lots of love.